Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to convert your old Crocs into a new design. So the first thing you need is an adhesive, a clear adhesive gum, and then your beads. First, you have to decide what color you want to do. Is it multicolor or just plain colors? I decided to choose shades of pink for mine. The next thing you're going to do is to decide what design you want to achieve. When you have sorted that out, then you go ahead and start. So what you do is you take a little of your adhesive gum, put it on the back of your plastic beads. Remember, plastic beads, not complete round beads, plastic beads, and then you stick. When you're sticking it, be sure not to rub it on your Crocs because it's going to get stained with the gum, and that's going to be very messy and not so nice. So for it to be neatly done, be sure of the position. Guys, my nails is not helping, but be sure of what position you want to place the bead and then place it in that exact spot. Don't put it somewhere else and drag it to the spot where you want it to be for a neat job. So you continue doing that. I'm trying to get a particular design that I want, so you continue doing that until you are satisfied with your design. Guys, this is so easy to do, very easy. It's not stressful at all, trust me. And you can add any other thing to your Crocs, like charms and dangling designs to your Crocs. But this is a night before my trip and I just decided not to do something complex, and also I didn't want to go with my Crocs looking just plain. So guys, keep watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. If your beads is stained with gum, just gently dab it with a little tissue paper and then continue. It takes a little while. This took me about say 10 minutes to do. Yeah, so this is what we get. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching.